Welcome to this short, calming body scan meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in and out. Let's begin. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale softly through your mouth. Again, inhale peace. Exhale tension. Now gently bring your attention to the top of your head. Feel the space around your scalp, your forehead. Relax. Let your awareness move down to your eyes. Soften them. Release any tension in your jaw. Bring attention to your neck and shoulders. Let your shoulders drop. Feel them melt. Now move down to your chest. Feel it rise and fall with each breath. Gently scan your belly. Allow it to be soft and calm. Feel into your back, upper back, lower back. Relax. Now shift your focus to your hips, your thighs, knees. Notice your calves, ankles, and finally, your feet and toes. Take a full, deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice how your body feels. Still, calm, grounded. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to your day with presence and ease.